Today, we are going to practice some high frequency and irregular words. Grab some paper and a pencil. Are you ready? Let's begin. Number 1. He. He is a very kind and sweet child. Number 2. We. This summer, we are embarking on an exciting trip. We. Number 3. Go. I need to go and do my chores now. Go. Number 4. More. I love you more than anything in this world. More. Number 5. None. None of these games work. None. Number 6. Your. Your toys are neatly arranged. Your. Number 7. Love. I love my family. Love. Number 8. The. The girl is very friendly. The. Number 9. Many. I have many snacks to eat later. Many. Number 10. Any. Do you have any food left? Any. Number 11. What? What day is today? What? Number 12. Put. Please put my things away. Put. Number 13. Are. Are you ready to go swimming? Are. Number 14. You. You are my sunshine. You. Number 15. Does. Does anybody want chocolates? Does. Number 16. From. The letter is from my sister. From. Number 17. Some. Some of my friends are out of town. Some. Number 18. They. They are too nice to let us in. They. Number 19. School. We have a school near our house. School. Number 20. Or. Do you want Minecraft or Fortnite? Or. Number 21. No. No boys allowed in our sleepover. No. Number 22. Come. Come and get some dessert. Come. Number 23. Girl. We have a new baby girl. Girl. Number 24. So. I have so much fun. So. Number 25. Be. Be always kind. Be. Number 26. Look. I will look for the stars. Look. Number 27. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh. Number 28. 2. I have 2 cousins. 2. Number 29. Of. Of course, I'm going to the party. Of. Number 30. 4. My artwork is for you. 4. Number 31. Was. I was doing something silly. Was. Number 32. There. There you are. I was looking for you. There. Number 33. Little. Little did I know. You are wonderful. Little. 34. Do. I do like eggs and ham. Do. Number 35. Me. Because of me, we are going to have so much fun. Me. Number 36. Said. I remember what I said a few weeks ago. Said. Number 37. Boy. My sister's friend is a boy. Boy. Number 38. Done. I'm done doing my chores. Done. Number 39. She. She is gorgeously good looking. She. Number 40. 2. I have a meeting to attend later. 2. Number 41. Her. Her hair is always stylish. Her. Number 42. Goes. Here goes the bus. Goes. Number 43. Move. I want to move my bed to the corner of the room. Move. Number 44. Been. Where have you been? Been. Number 45. Could. Could you do me a favor later? Could. Number 46. People. Too many people in the mall today. People. Number 47. When. Do you know when you're going camping? When. Number 48. Would. Would you look at that? You did it. Would. Number 49. Great. They have a great selection of games. Great. Number 50. Brother. Sometimes I wish I had a brother. Brother.